In this tutorial you will learn about all components of the motor driver, circuit diagram of the motor driver, with the Arduino board, programming of the motor driver. This module name is L298N, H-bridge motor driver module. It has 4 logic input pin, 2 speed controller pin, 4 output pin, VCC 12 volt pin, 1 ground pin, 7805 regulator IC, for 5 volt output, L298N IC, and heat sink. There are 2 methods to power up the motor driver and the Arduino board. Depend on connecting the Arduino board with computer, or not. If you are not using your computer, then connect the Arduino board and motor driver module, as shown in figure. If you are using your computer to power up the Arduino board, then just remove the 5 volt power source from the Arduino board. And remember one thing, remove the power supply of the Arduino board while upload the program. Assign all these Arduino pins by some variables. In this setup function, assign all the logic input as output. By high and low value, you can run motor forward or backward. So, this is the practical video. If you connect the Arduino board with computer, then connect only ground pin. After uploading the program you can see it's running. If you are not connecting the Arduino board with computer, then connect 5 volt and ground pin. After uploading the program, you can see the video that motor is also running. If you like this video, then please share and subscribe my channel for more videos.